What up YouTube, this is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another video. This is in Lake Wales, Florida. This is one of those like traveling carnivals that goes all over with different like carnival rides and carnival games and stuff like that. Well, you know, make an interesting video and show you it in case you've never been to one or you want to go to one. This one's owned by Prime Time Amusements, and I'll put their link below. But it's not very big, but let's get in there and check it out. Alright. I like Ferris wheels. I always found them kind of creepy because they're so freaking big. Look at that thing. Of course, there's a good old classic merry-go-round. I always called it merry-go-round, but others have called it different things. And I say, it's just very colorful. It has some snacks and stuff. I'll show you let you know how much the tickets are in a little bit. Let's just walk around, look around, huh? I would not do one of those things. I did one a couple times when I was a kid, but it was a lot closer to the ground. That is so far up there. No way. Imagine the logistics and stuff of traveling with all this equipment. Can you imagine all this work? You just gotta think about it. You gotta take all this apart, you gotta put it on a truck, you gotta travel to where you gotta go. This is really a lot of work to set all this stuff up. I know I definitely would not want to do it. Just different carnival games. It's like one of those like little fun houses. I always thought they were kind of cool. Even as an adult, I did a couple of them for you on this channel. They're not really much different than from each other, really. They don't have the same stuff. I remember doing these a few when I was a kid. The one I did when I was a kid was actually a lot bigger. I have no idea how they travel with that thing. You have Prime Time Amusements. It's actually a bit chilly today. This was here for like over a week. I wasn't sure if I was even gonna make it with everything going on. Of course, when you have a carnival, like I said, you always have carnival games. You can win stuffy animals and everything. I'm a little bit too old to be caring about winning a stuffed animal anymore, so I'm gonna skip that part. I do remember a lot of this stuff when I was younger. Look at that thing. I rode in one of those when I was a kid. It's scary a bit, I can tell you that. This one's called the Ring of Fire, which a lot of them has been called that, or some similar. Now, you could buy, I don't forget how much it is per ticket. You can also buy like a wristband where you can go on unlimited rides. Sometimes it's $20, $35 depending on the carnival or fair you go to. Because, I'll get away from that so you can hear me better. But the different rides, they'll take more than one ticket if you've never been to a carnival. So it's much more better deal just to buy the unlimited wristband. Here's one of these like fun houses, what I call it. This one has the like the glass maze thing on the bottom, but they're really basically the same thing, all of them. This one's called Monkey Maze. So they're really not much more different from each other. And again, I filmed a similar one. Ring of Fire. Of course, more carnival games. They have a few food options here. Not too many. This one's called the Black Pearl. The last time I did this a couple years ago when I filmed it for you guys, I actually got sick. I wasn't feeling too good before I got on. So it wasn't probably pretty smart for me to do that. That is cool. Pirates of the Caribbean themed. There's Jack Sparrow himself. That is awesome. Of course, most of them always have the slide that you could take down. I remember doing something like this when I was young too. Yeah, basically a lot of the same rides that I remember. Here's Tornado. I'll walk through here a few times showing you some of the different things. It is definitely chilly out here today. Whew. It was warmer all week until this weekend. He's looking for the younger kids. I'll show you that in a second. Yeah, a lot of the same stuff. Fun fact: I actually won a trophy for playing basketball, shooting a thing, into the hoop thing, whatever. It was a long time ago. The only trophy I ever won, not at a carnival, was through a school activity thing. Here's a little version. Here's a little version of teacups. See, this one takes 4 tickets, so that's why financially it's a lot smarter just to buy the unlimited wristband than to buy individual tickets, unless you're only going to do a couple rides. Here's Jalopy Junction, a little train. Of course, that's where you bob for like little ducks. You could win a prize. A couple of looks like some vendors selling some stuff. Souvenirs, more carnival games, toy box, Dizzy Dragons. Yeah, when I was a kid I would do that, but not now. That's definitely pretty scary. See, that one also takes 4 tickets. Boy, it is definitely chilly today. So they have a few food things. I bet you they're all owned by the same company. The usual fair foods. I see Oreo boxes. They probably sell the fried Oreos. There's another one of those, wind jammer that spins around. There's the flying elephants, or basically just like kind of like Dumbo, basically. And there's some of the ticket booths. I will put the link below if you want to go and find out how much all this is. More food items, just like caramel and candy apples. I see the big pickles, so I wonder if they sell them individually or they fry them up, because some places will fry them. Anyway, a little bit more, a few things I might have missed. Yeah, you could tell this is basically supposed. Yeah, it's kind of like a parody of Dumbo, but it says Jumbo. You see that black bird there? You know that's from the movie and everything. But a lot of these rides, they get inspiration from Disney cartoons and stuff. Yeah, that's definitely Dumbo there. You know, the characters there don't have the big ears. Yeah, it is chilly today. I would almost do a couple of rides, but it's not really worth buying the unlimited ticket just to do a few of them. And I would almost do that for you too, but there's not really too much to see in those things for me to show you. Usually like 1 or 2, you've pretty much done them all. And I know there's kind of a probably wind you hear on this. There's nothing I can do about it. I got to get a dead cat. One of those things I keep forgetting. Okay, like a shooting gallery one. See some more of the carnival games. this way. But yeah, I mean, you have one of these that visit the area and you have kids, I do suggest coming. I mean, I remember coming to something like this when I was a kid, enjoying it. Didn't happen too much. They didn't come to my area too much. But I do remember it. I went over there. Let's walk through here. There's the Ring of Fire again, which is definitely the noisiest ride here, I think. A lot of the typical stuff. No, thank you. Okay. This is basically a walkthrough of it. But check their schedule and the schedule for other carnivals like this and see when they might come to your area if you want to visit it. Now, not all of them are going to be exactly the same. But a lot of them are going to be similar to what you see here. Of course, a lot of people have seen this video. They've probably been to a carnival before. And of course, if you've been to like state fairs, festivals, a lot of them have stuff like this. Like I'm hoping to make it to the Florida State Fair. I'll probably go on the very last day, actually. And they have a lot of these type of rides. There, I might buy the unlimited wristband for the rides. We'll see. Okay. Alright. Look how the kids are using the wheel thinking they're actually controlling, but they're not. Okay. Let's get going. Look at that. Can you imagine how... Nah.
Alright, bro. Come on now. Right. Come on. Get in the
thank you.
Come on.
No, thank you.
I want to get in the teddy bear. Come here.
No, thank you. No, thanks.
Runaway ball. Sorry.
Okay. I don't really want to play any games right now anyways. Alright, I'm going to get back to the warm car. I am cold. Seeing they sell any really unique foods. No, nacho, corn dogs. Oh, they do sell the pickle. Bottled water, fruit punch, candy, slushy. No, nothing. Yeah, they do have the fried Oreos, like I was right. Nothing too rare. Oh, look, if you use your card, they charge you $2, so make sure you bring cash. You get 50 tickets for $45, 20 tickets for $20. I think one ticket, I think it's $1. Like I said, get the unlimited wristband. Before you know it, those tickets will go through quickly. It looks like the wristbands here are $30. So yeah, I would definitely get the unlimited wristband, because you buy 50 tickets for $45, that's $45. You get the unlimited wristbands, $30. It's worth it. Okay, I'm gonna head back to the car. If any comments or questions, let me know. This is just a little quick little walkthrough of this Prime Time Amusements Carnival. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye everybody, bye. Here it is, everyone. We're just going to show you it from driving past it. It's starting to rain, so we did this just in time. I will admit it is pretty. It's very colorful. I can't imagine, like I said, the logistics of putting all this together, because think about it. All this stuff is taken apart and put on trucks, and they drive it to the next location. Think about it, there's a lot of work. But this stuff pretty much has not changed when I remember it being little. Interesting. I'm not sure if you'll see that video first or this one, but this is where they had that paranormal circus. This is the exact location where they had their tent and everything. We drove around and filmed it, and I've uploaded that, I think I uploaded it, but it's not live yet. But you'll probably see this video first before you see that one. But over there to the left, that's the Eagle Ridge Mall. Yeah, definitely a lot of outhouses. Definitely a lot of music, which is probably all copyrighted, but I want to be able to show this to you all. I think they had like 3 trucks for food. But for a small carnival like this, you don't really need a huge amount of options. Some of these things, look, that's technically a truck. That one fun house, and they just close it up and they just drive it away. Okay. Well, that's it. Just want to show it. Oh, all right. Merry-go-rounds definitely have not changed, or carousels, depending on which word that you use.
Thank you.
Okay, everyone, that's it. Just wanted to drive around and show you it all. Again, any comments, questions, put them below. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye.